Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my most effective fragrances when it comes to having on all occasion, easy to wear, easy to like, mass appealing. This is the Montblanc Legend, and this bottle, by you can see it's pretty much big. This is a bottle that I would use as a value size that you can just spray as many times. And this is the type of fragrance that in summer occasions that are a little bit hotter, you can use this because of its pineapple note. And this pineapple note just comes out great because pineapple, fruity, and floral is just a mix of combinations that just works great. It's mass appealing, has a great projection, and it lasts for a long time. And if you're looking for a fragrance that is just going to be a mass appeal and most of the people are going to like it, you can wear it for multiple occasions and you can lift your mood up. This is a great one. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.